In this tutorial, you'll learn how to install Review Widget to your website in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Head over to your left sidebar and click Settings, then Website Toolkit, then Review to open the Review Setup page. Now click the Copy Code button right here to copy the embed script to your clipboard. Next, open your website's HTML or theme editor in a new browser tab. I'm using Elementor for this example, but any editor will work. Go ahead and paste that copied script snippet directly into your website's code where you want the Review widget to appear. Save your changes and hit Publish so everything goes live on your site. Finally, open your live website in a new tab, and there it is. Your Review widget is now showing up right on the page, ready to go. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.